This RV life is not meant for everybody. Hello. Something's always going on. You know, we were living in a beautiful home in Boca, living in the same house in Boca Raton, Florida. We've been in the same house for 20 years, and my wife came down with cancer about back in 2015. She had breast cancer, and she was able to get a lumpectomy, and had to still go through all her chemo and radiation and all that stuff. And we just realized life is short. At the same time, we had gone to a conference. They had a class on empty nesters on a mission. So we decided, you know what, we're empty nesters and we like mission trips. We've done many of them. After much planning and talking and thinking about it and research, 9 months later, we sold everything, sold our house, and bought an RV. We presently live in a 2014 Allegro bus. We've been at it for 20 months now. We love it. It's great. We love our small home, our little tiny house. We've been able to visit some incredible places and see some incredible things, and just all the beauty that God's provided for us. And we're just blessed to be able to do what we're doing. I hope we're able to continue doing this for a long, long time. But let me know. I'd like to know why did you go and start RVing? If you are, and if you're not RVing, and if you want to RV, how can I help you? We've been doing it again, like I said, for 20 months, and we've learned a lot, and we're still learning a lot. And I hope that we can provide some information for you. Enjoy this journey. Enjoy this life. Life is short. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, so you got to take advantage of it whenever you can. You know, life is a journey. It's what you make of it, and your desires and your dreams. I hope we can continue doing this for a long, long time. We don't know how long we'll do it. Might be a year, maybe 2, maybe 5. We don't know, but we're going to continue doing this as long as we can and enjoying it, because life is short. So, got to stay in shape, even when you live in an RV. Best thing we ever did was got a membership to one of those gyms where they're all over the country, and we can go and work out whenever we want. Some weightlifting, some cardio, so on the way to the gym. Feels so much better when you get that workout in. There's nothing like getting your heart rate up, putting some stress on your muscles, doing some lifting. It just feels real good. And as you get older, you got to take care of yourself. You got to work out, you got to eat right, you got to drink a little bit of wine. So I'm planning on doing that tonight. So we had a great gym workout. I'm gonna make some dinner. We got some salmon to make a salad. Got a half a potato, baked potato for my wife. Seems like she hasn't been here all day. We've kind of been moving in and out. While I was doing the video earlier this morning, she was actually spending some time with one of her girlfriends that she hadn't seen in a long time since we came back to Florida to visit. And also, I came home, I went to the gym, and she was here, she took a nap, and now she's out for a walk. She's getting her workout in today. Her workout today is a long walk. It's starting to get dark, so I'm assuming she'll be home pretty soon. But I'm gonna get dinner ready. Let's get this. So people want to know what we do all day when you're retired. What'd you do today?
I can't even remember. Oh, I went and visited my friend I haven't seen for a while. Don't put this on here. That's terrible. That's terrible.
No, it's reality.
I know. We forget what we do, even the same day. That's terrible.
So what'd you do today? What did we have for dinner? Half an hour ago?
It was good. It was good. I really didn't do too much today. I went and visited my friend Lorraine, I haven't seen in a year since we've been back in Florida, and did a little bit of shopping, and this is really boring.
And you went for a walk.
And I went for a walk.
That's your workout.
Yeah.
You even had your headset, so you had music, so you must have been walking fast, right? You know?
Okay, so
This is what happens when you don't do anything all day.
Yeah.
No, we got a lot done today. There's always something to do, even when you're retired. Especially coming back down to South Florida, where all our family and friends are. It's, yesterday we did a Bible study with a friend of ours, and had dinner with them. And tomorrow we have a staff meeting with our church, and we're going to be doing some planning for the year, and that's like an all-day event. So we're always doing something, and spending time with our kids and family and friends, and we're always having people over for dinner because I like to cook and I like to serve people that way. So there's always something to do, right?
Oh, absolutely. Volunteering and helping other people, giving back because we've been given so much.
Where is it you volunteer?
Feeding America.
And what do you do there?
Well, they have all the products come in from like the grocery stores that the boxes have been crushed or something like that, and we just have to make sure that they're not out of date and not open, and then they can put them back on shelves so people can come and get food that would have been thrown away. But there's nothing wrong with it really. So, or maybe the can has a dent or something like that. So it's nice. I enjoy doing that food doesn't get thrown away, because we throw away way too much food.
Yeah. And I've been involved with a program that I got once we got here about probably 2 months ago. It's called the Burrito Project, and they actually feed the homeless at Bryant Park in Lake Worth. So we go there on Saturdays, make burritos, and serve that that morning or that lunchtime, and then on Wednesdays we also serve lunch. It's a great program. I'll put links to their website and all that they do here, and also the Feed America that Mary's been going to. So
I really like the Feeding America, because it seems like it's pretty much everywhere where we've gone. There's a food bank, yeah. But they're very, very easy to volunteer with. There's not a lot of paperwork or anything like that. You can just kind of show up if you decide a day that maybe an appointment's canceled or whatever. You can just show up, and they're always happy to have people there to help them sort through the food.
don't you have to like set up a website type thing or application or anything like that?
Well, you should, yeah. But you could do it there too. They don't ask you for much. They just want an email address. And
I've done a couple of those with Mary, and we did it in Tampa, and we did it in Colorado, and so. But she likes doing certain things. I like doing certain things. But we're always busy. We're always finding something to do. We don't sit around a lot. There is days we take off and don't do anything and just marshmallow out, sleep in till 9 or 10 o'clock. But that's okay. We're retired. And every day's Saturday when you're retired. Right?
absolutely.
So I hope you enjoyed this day of us. I think it was mainly me, because I was home, because she was out serving and I was home doing the videos. So, but that's kind of like our routine, and what we do and how we enjoy life. And I hope that it inspires you to do something different. It doesn't mean going out and RVing, but I hope it inspires you to live life to its fullest every single day. Alrighty, thanks a lot. please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you get all the notifications, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.